Hi, today let's make healthy, gut-friendly and high-protein food which is called as Moong Dal Chilla. First you need to soak the moong dal at least 4 to 5 hours and then add it to the blender along with water and blend it into a smooth batter. Next to the batter I'm adding in hing, which is good for bloating and gas as well. Next I'm adding in salt to taste and green chilies. If you want to skip green chilies, please go ahead. Next in a bowl I've added the batter and then I'm adding in some chopped veggies, which is a good source of fiber. Here I've added in spinach, grated carrot, and then I'm adding in onions as well. You can add in cabbage, capsicum, chopped broccoli, cauliflower, whichever kind of veggies you like. Next I'm adding in cumin and Kashmiri chili powder and give it a good mix. The batter needs to be nice and thick like this. The next step is when you pour the moong dal chilla on the pan needs to be super hot and then pour it the same way however you pour the dosa batter. Then if you like ghee or oil, you can add it if you're serving it for kids. If you don't want, you can skip it as well. Now let the moong dal chilla cook very nicely and it needs to turn crispy. That is when you feel your moong dal chilla is ready to serve. You can serve it with curd or pickle. I would suggest you serve it with yogurt, or which is curd, which is a good source of probiotic, which is gut friendly, super light on tummy and wholesome. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.